Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing Oh My Girl's Windy Day. I have taken it out of the plastic. I haven't looked inside or anything. I just had some technical issues when I was recording before. But yeah, anyway, I'm really excited to unbox this because it is the last Oh My Girl album I have left to unbox and their most recent one. And I'm really excited because they're supposed to be having a comeback, I believe, next month and a solo concert, so I'm really excited for that because I love new content from Oh My Girl, but I'm also really worried that they're not getting enough rest because they've been promoting so much. And yeah, I just hope that they get like some wins and some recognition, more recognition, because they're amazing and I just love them. So yeah, I'm just gonna go continue on with this. Right, so since this is a repackaged album, obviously it has all the tracks in Pink Ocean, but there are 2 new tracks and one like Chinese version of Liar Liar. So the tracks are Windy Day, Stupid in Love, Liar Liar, B612, I Found Love, Knock Knock, Han Baljak, Tu Baljak, and Liar Liar, the Chinese version. Obviously the title track for this is Windy Day, which is amazing, amazing choreo, amazing song. I love it so much. Yeah, oh my god, just keep consistently getting better and I absolutely love them. So, that's really all I have to say. Gonna take out the CD, which looks like this. This album is smaller than I thought, which is funny because the debut Oh My Girl album I expected to be smaller and it was actually bigger than I expected. I'm gonna take out the photo card, which is in here. So pretty. I love all their concepts. I love this picture of Mimi. I love her hair here. And this picture of Sunhee, she looks so pretty. Yajani. Yeah, I absolutely love the choreography for Windy Day. I say this about everything because every Oh My Girl thing because I really just like their stages. I think they have wonderful stages that are really engaging and fun to watch. But yeah, I just love how they go in at the chorus for this choreo. And it just looks so energetic and like I feel tired watching them. And yeah, like I said, I'm super excited about another comeback from them, but I just hope they're getting enough rest. I always worry when groups like promote a lot, because it must be so exhausting. Lyrics and credits. So yeah, that is it for this album, and it does come with a photocard or photocards. I'm not sure. Let me check. Okay, so for one of them, I got this. I got Ginny. Okay. Oh, I got Ginny's card, and I believe there are different versions of this as well. Like, this is an angel item. I don't actually know like how many like different versions and stuff there are, because I don't know, I'm kind of confused by these photo cards and the Pink Ocean ones. Like, I know that there are different items and like different clothing pieces and stuff, but yeah, yeah, I know that they were also going for really expensive on eBay, and I'm collecting Hyojong, so yeah, I will trade this for Hyojong. Yeah, but look, it's cute. It's grapes. Just holding grapes. I love grapes. And then I also got another card, and for this card, I got, oh my god, I got Hyojong! Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, this is the second time that I've pulled Hyojong. This is also the second time that I've pulled Ginny. But yeah, I'm so happy. Are these the limited edition ones, or like because I don't know if every album comes with them. I'm not entirely sure, again. I don't know, but I'm so happy I got Hyojong. Oh my gosh. It's really funny because I thought that since initially when I first unboxed which album was the first one? Pink Ocean. Pink Ocean, I pulled Hyojong, and she wasn't my bias then, but then after that, when she became my bias, every other album that I unboxed other than this one, I never pulled her, so I was just like, did my luck go away? But apparently not, and yeah, I love this. It's so beautiful. I love this card. But yeah, anyway, I have Ginny and Hyojong, and this one is up for trade. This one isn't because she's my bias. But yeah, I love this album. I love Oh My Girl. I'm really excited to see their next comeback, and I will definitely be getting that album or whatever it is they release too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.